I have a question for you. Are you still wasting time organizing all your digital stuff? Let's watch this clip together.
Lots of unread emails. Let's click on the first one. It's got a PDF that's an attachment from a hotel as a receipt. And I see a suggestion in the side panel. Help me organize and track my receipts. Let's click on this prompt. The side panel now will show me more details about what that really means. And as you can see, there's 2 steps here. Step 1, create a Drive folder and put this receipt and 37 others it's found into that folder. Makes sense. Step 2, extract the relevant information from those receipts in that folder into a new spreadsheet. Now, this sounds useful.
Now, we all know this, right? This is obvious. we should do this, okay? But here's the fun part.
I also have the option to edit these actions or just hit OK. So let's hit OK. Gemini will now complete the 2 steps described above, and this is where it gets even better. Gemini offers you the option to automate this so that this particular workflow is run on all future emails.
Not only it did it, but it will keep doing it. And there's no need to learn automation or go through all those steps. That's not easy. There's more.
Now, we know that creating a complex spreadsheet like this can be daunting for most people. But with this automation, Gemini does the hard work of extracting all the right information from all the files.
That looks amazing. And of course, things tend to work better on the keynotes than in real life. But imagine if the only thing it does 100% right is grouping the receipts. That would already be fantastic, wouldn't it? What I'm trying to say is we have to change this mindset. I include myself. I have this tendency to organize everything. And this is not even organization. This is categorization. When you categorize things, when you put things in folders. AI, I'm pretty sure that the current AI is already very good on that. It's been good for a while now. If you use Google Photos, you know that. You can ask crazy questions like show me all the green bikes or all the green bikes in Paris, things like that. Google will filter that very easily. And that's what I do when I have to find a picture to show here or a small clip I made with my phone. I just ask Google, and it usually, 99% of the times I ask, it usually gets it right. That Gemini didn't find the point. I asked for the correct timestamp of this. I didn't take notes when I watched the keynote, so I asked Gemini what was the time where they would talk about this spreadsheet thing, and it got it wrong, but that's okay. Now, why we should lose this mindset? Because things are getting crazy. I'm testing this app now. I set it up to open. This is voice notes. And to be honest, I'm having a really hard time here. I'll publish a proper review. I just want to talk about it because it has everything to do with this conversation. I'm having a hard time here because I don't know what to do. So I keep taking these notes, and the way you take notes is by recording the note, and the AI will translate it. But there are some features here where I can tap and convert things to blog posts, bullet lists. And you know what? Let me ask something here. Ask, when is my trip to Lisbon? No. It's tomorrow. But the 15th was the day. Today is the 16th, and I recorded about the trip. I recorded a note about the trip yesterday. I was trying to figure out if I could create a reminder, and I asked it to remind me of things to bring on my trip. But I said, oh, schedule. Oh, so it got the Friday right, but the 15th of May is not Friday. The 15th was when I recorded the video. So I told it it was Friday. Interesting. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say. If we don't change our mindsets, if we don't start using things like this, it's going to be harder and harder. And I mean, people like you and me, if you're using it like I am, if you are still categorizing, organizing everything all the time. That's it. I just wanted to share some thoughts with you, and stay tuned. I'll soon share my full review if I can understand this app. It's pretty cool. This is made by the same people that created Buy Me a Coffee that I use here on the channel. And talking about that, if you like what I do here, you can buy me a coffee. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.